Are you gonna take this present to Daddy?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go. Okay. Do you want to go take it to Daddy?
Yes.
Say, close your eyes, Daddy. Come on, Finley. Oh, don't put that in your mouth. Come on. Okay. Is Daddy's eyes closed? Oh, dear. Come on.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Can I open my eyes?
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Oh, thanks, Boogie. What does that mean? You're pregnant?
What do you think it means?
I don't know. 2 lines. Finley! Boogie, what does this mean?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What does that mean, Boogie?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh. Share.
What does that mean?
Share.
Sister?
Share.
Say
She
sister.
wants you to share.
Oh, share? You want to hold it?
Yeah.
She just put it in her mouth, which is really...
That's
Don't put that... Hey, do not put that in your mouth. Yucky. You think you're funny?
Hey, babe.
Finley, can you say... Okay, stop. Can you say big sister?